Hello and welcome in this new tutorial for your Sefram data acquisition solution DAS30, DAS50 and DAS60. In this video, we will present the different options of the replay memory mode. To access to the replay mode, press Replay Mode directly from the home page of your device. This mode enables to display acquisition recorded on the internal memory or on a USB disk. Press Read File. Select the file you want to see by choosing from the device internal memory, folder rec file, or from a connected USB disk by pressing the USB disk icon. Once the file selected, press the file icon to display it. It's also possible to import the combined channels configuration. From the scrolling menu, you can copy a recording from the internal disk to a USB disk by pressing the hardware disk icon. Then, you can delete a file by using the recycle bin icon. By pressing Write Data File, you will be able to create a new file from the current file. Once the file opens, it's possible to customize the screen display by pressing Screen Setup. You could display in full screen, choose the graphic view FT mode or XY, display the numerical values, display the mathematical calculations, which will be customizable further, display boundaries, which corresponds to the graphic axis information, define the type of the clock. Define the position of the logic channels, use several split screens for several signal display, customize the background, grid or cursor colors. It's possible to display different indicators on the graph concerning the signals by clicking on Math. After choosing your channel, it will be able to display mean, max, average value, and many other indicators. By pressing Cursors key, you can add vertical and horizontal cursors on the wanted channel in order to target the signal portion you want to analyze. Furthermore, use zoom or redefine the range position for better analysis. If your Sefram device has the printer option, it will be possible to handle the prime parameters by pressing Plotting Setup. This tutorial is now over. Check other videos for better use of your Sefram device.